Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'll show you how to trigger a BigQuery schedule query with Google Workflow. So we have some dummy data over here. We have a table called demo data with a few records in it. So what we are going to do now is we are going to write a simple insert statement and then schedule it to insert data into this demo data table. Alright, so the test run works well. The next thing we'll do is to schedule it with schedule query. So we'll give it a name, and next we set the frequency to on demand, and then save it. Right, and then when we refresh the schedule query page, we'll see the new schedule query that we have just created. Right, and what we need here for later would be the resource name. Alright, the next thing we'll do is that we'll go to Google Workflow and create a new workflow. Okay, we'll select the appropriate service account to run this workflow. And then this next portion is where we will do a scripting for the workflow. So I've shared I have a GitHub repository with the YAML code, so you can just simply reference that over here. So what we'll need from the scheduled query would be the resource name, and we'll place it in the parents argument. Okay, and deploy. Okay, once we've deployed, we will try executing it. So we click on execute, and we'll wait for a few moments for the workflow and the schedule query to run. So after a minute or two, we see the results of the workflow being executed. Back at the schedule query, when we check the run history, we will see that there has been a successful run. And just going back to check the data table, we will also hopefully see a new record being created. Right, yeah, there we go.